All right, let's break down 5 of the world's top trading platforms.
Choosing the right one can feel like a puzzle, so let's make it easy for you.
Okay, first on our list is Interactive Brokers. You might know them as IBKR.
Their big thing? Global reach. We're talking access to over 160 markets.
You get pro-level tools and a simple app, all from just one account. Super powerful.
Next up, eToro. Now this one's a totally different vibe. It's all about being social.
Yeah, it's built around social trading. Think of it like a giant network for investors.
You can actually copy the trades of the pros. This is a game changer for beginners.
All right, number 3 is XTP. They're all about making trading accessible for everyone.
And get this, their minimum deposit is 0. Yep, nothing. You can just jump right in.
Plus, their platform is super intuitive for trading thousands of stocks and CFDs.
Okay, let's talk speed. For that, we have Pepperstone, built for traders who need to move fast.
The focus here is on razor-thin spreads and lightning-fast execution, so no delays.
This makes it perfect for day traders and scalpers, the really active folks.
And last but not least, TradeStation. This one is built specifically for the power users.
You get a whole suite of pro tools to backtest strategies and even run custom scripts.
So that's 5 platforms, each with a different flavor. How in the world do you choose? Well, it really comes down to you. What's your experience? What's your personal style?
This chart kind of lays it all out. Are you just starting out, a coder, or a speed demon?
Look, the best platform is the one that just clicks with your goals. Simple as that.
So now that you've got the lay of the land, what's your first move going to be?